as a retailer. They are going to make money not because only of their business acumenship, but because they fit themselves into a system. Consumers are looking for shops to buy products from that are coming from the manufacturers. So the person is making money because of belonging to the system. The flow of money is already there. And this model has helped many people to make money and to become successful. Large corporations, they belong to this system. Millionaires and billionaires and even companies listed on the stock exchanges of different countries, they belong to this system. The second way to start a business is a franchise business model. In this particular model, you have one who originates a name, and they establish structures and systems. And from there, they can run those shops or restaurants or hotels. But they offer the opportunity to whoever has money to buy into the use of an already established name. Just like today here, we are in the heart of a franchise. The Holiday Inn was started by somebody, but maybe the one who is running this one is not the original owner. It's someone who decided to buy the use of an already established name. When you walk out and you go down there a few meters, you see KFC. The one running KFC is not the original owner, but it's someone who had the money to buy the use of an already established name. You go down there, you see Nando's. You go down there, you see these businesses all over.
Our company, Greenwood International Group, is a progressive research and development company. And this year is 32 years old in the research and development and manufacturing industry. We have 4 major production facilities in the US, in Canada, and also in China. We produce high-quality, scientifically proven products. In the area of health and wellness, we have dietary supplements, traditional Chinese medicine-based products, blueberry-based products, a series of herbal teas and so on. We also are in the research and development of agriculture products. Actually, this year in Uganda, we are going to have a biofertilizer and biostimulant event. It's hosted by Greenwood, but in Uganda we have a cooperation between Greenwood and the Ugandan government, and we are putting up an industrial production facility there for organic fertilizers. So we launched our NutriPlant organic fertilizer about a decade ago, and this year we are launching our biotrichoderma fertilizer. And we're going to launch other products like animal husbandry and other agriculture-based products. Because agriculture is the backbone of most economies, and also our survival as human beings depends entirely on agriculture. Basically in agriculture now we have farmers that use synthetic fertilization, and we have farmers that are into organic farming. Of course, some of these farmers, they do exports, and they have to make sure that they are doing 100% organic farming. But both these two groups of farmers can use our NutriPlant Organic Plus fertilizer. It works effectively being combined with the synthetic basal and top dressing fertilizers. It also works effectively being combined with other methods of organic farming. Because you see, with the growing population now, we can no longer rely on organic farming on its own. We need the synthetic fertilizers. But obviously this product, being backed by high-level scientific research and also well-formulated, it's an amino acid-based fertilizer. It contains macro and micronutrients and other trace elements that are needed by the plants. So it works for all types of plants, because a plant is a plant. All plants need the 18 elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, boron, molybdenum, and others. And so it works for all different types of plants and can be used even from the seed soaking stage or transplanting stage. And whether you are doing grains like maize, wheat, you are doing horticulture, you are doing fruit trees, coffee, macadamia, it works. The benefit to the farmer is that it helps to boost their yield significantly. Just like you heard in the meeting, farmers testifying 100% increase in yields, 200, 300% increase in yields. And also it helps to plants to control flower abortion and helps plants to be drought, infertility and disease resistant. And it also helps to extend the fruiting time of the plants. So we can help significantly the small-scale farmers. You saw many of them in the meeting. They have small portions of land, maybe just 5 hectares or 6 or 10. But if we can boost their yield by 100%, for example, because they have incorporated our fertilizer in their fertilization program, it means we are working to improve their standard of living. Because where they were getting maybe 10 tons, now they can get 20 tons. We had the banana farmer from Onde Valley, quite many of them, but one of them saying that he was harvesting 4 tons per month, now managing to harvest up to 20 tons. That's a significant improvement into their standard of living because of the income they can now get. So we encourage farmers to try the product, our NutriPlant or Greenwood NutriPlant organic fertilizer, and see the results for themselves.
I dropped out of his car by accident. Okay. So I picked it up and I started reading the breakdown of the nutrients and macro, and I was like, this can increase the crude protein in my fish. So I experimented with just 2,000 grams in a small pond. So my temperatures are quite cold. So the harvest yield tend to be longer because brains in the right environment is 3 months we have palm size. So I added, I did about half a liter in a 10 by 22 square pond. In 4 months I was harvesting 600 grams fish.
Our organization is helping youth, those youth who do not have some jobs, who do not have something to do in life, who are into drugs. So we are inviting all those youth to come and join us, to come and do the business so that they can earn money to stop like drug abusing, so that if they earn money, they change their lives, they change their family backgrounds. We have got many here, they join this organization, now they are driving cars, now they are like building houses through this business. So I'm advising those youth, like many youth around, to come and join us. And this business is not about Zimbabwe only, it's a global organization. So to everyone out there who is listening, who have some youth at home, who have some relatives, those who do not have something to do, they can come and do the business with us, and you see, like within some space of time, they change their lives, they do more good like what they were doing. And we want to stop those who are into drugs through working, through joining, through doing the business. Thank you.
Starangu ndinonzi kuda kwashe nabuke, and also ndakajoina this company here Greenwood iri Bulawayo, then I moved from Bulawayo to Mutare. Pandakauya kuno kwa Mutare ndakatoenda kuchikoro ndikapedza ndikatograduate, asi kuti ndizowana basa ndobva ndarishaya basa. And also zvandoda kukuudzai nhasi, zvinhu zvakakunakirai as a mayouth, ndichipa advice kumayouth kuti munokwanisa kutojoina this business ratiri kuita panapa. Business redu reGreenwood tinenge tichitengesa ma-organic fertilizer, tinenge tichitengesa health products, and also my health products aya anotibatsira kune vanhu vanorwara nevanhu vasingarwari. And also kune vamwe vanhu mayouths vakaita sesu vava mumadrugs vaivai tine medications akaita like ma-anti-drug ekuti vanokwanisa kutora then vopedzisira vasingachaiti zvemadrugs. And also isusu vacho takaita tikauya tikawanda tinokwanisa kuinspire vamwe vari mumadrugs nekuti vanhu vari kupinda mumadrugs and as a way yekudzinga stress yekuti nokuti maneeds anenge akawandisa kudarika zvinhu zvanokumaridza vanokwanisa kuwana, saka vanopedzisira vaenda madrugs. Vamwe vaenda madrugs nekuda nepressure. Kuno kupressure yatinayo ndeyekuita mari tichitengesa zvinhu zvakaita like medication and also ma-organic fertilizer. And also as ma-youths isusu, right, we are now have 90% ema-youths emuzimbabwe vari unemployed, and also vari unemployed kudaro vanokwanisa kutengesa ma-organic fertilizer and vanokwanisa kuengage mufarming again vachitorima kubackyard or kumba kwauya kumusha tichishandisa ma-organic fertilizer tichitengesa. And also isu tikakwanisa kuzviwana zvinhu zvatinokwanisa kuti tiite busy nekurima kwauya tichiengage nevamwe vanhu tinokwanisa kukurudzira the community yedu kuti tiite mari takawanda. Ndo makushuku angu. And also my advice yatinayo ndeyekuti vese vari mumadrugs vanoshayiwa tikodii munokwanisa kuuya kuno then tobatsirana kutengesa organic fertilizer, kutengesa ma-health products edu, and also tokwanisa kubudirira sevana vemuzimbabwe, and also we can fight drug together. Thank you.